I promised in a previous video that we'll add 4 buttons to move the snake right here. Let's do it. So let's go to main storyboard and let's hide one so we have bigger room. So let's add button. Oh no, can we undo it? Yeah, I just delete that. Okay, let's do it again. Add, drag. Oh, let's put it here. So this one, button title. Let's use the emoji right here for left. Okay, so this one, emoji. So click here, edit, emoji. Let's try to find like arrow. Do we have that? Yeah. So which one do you like the most? Left. Let's use this one. Is it good? Left, right, up and down. Okay, so we have all of them. This one, left. Enter. Now we can increase the font size. Oh, it's too slow. Let's use this one. What about 64? Done. I think it's big enough. Okay. So let's put it here. Before we connect the button to the file view controller, we can make a copy of it. Copy, paste. Okay. But don't do this copy paste if you already make the connection from the button to the code, because then you will also copy the connection. That will introduce huge trouble. So now we can update this one to for up. Okay, replace this with an up emoji. Up, do we have that? Yes, this one. Enter. And for this one we'll use down, right? So emoji, I think control space. Let's see the shortcut key. I forgot. Emoji. Wow. Oh, control command space. Okay. Now down. Yeah, this guy. Enter. And the last one here. Command control space. Yes. And right. Yeah, this one. Enter. Okay, now we have 4 buttons ready. Now let's make the connection. So we need to do control drag from these UI elements to our view controller code. So let's hide this one. Hold on option key and click view controller here. Yes. So we need a variable to represent the view itself. So hold on control key and drag. This is a board view. Okay, board view is a good name. Connect. Yeah. And we'll put our button functions here. So hold on Control key, select that, drag and release left. Yeah, now select this one. Let's move it to the right a little bit so we can see all the 4 buttons. Okay, so hold on Control key, drag and release this one up. Okay, put a space here. Now select down key, down button. Okay, hold on Control, drag down, connect. The last one, right. Hold on Control key, drag and release right. So what should we do here? Now let's introduce a little bit about the model view control design pattern. So that's the most important design pattern in iOS development. It means this one is the MVC. So MVC design pattern. So M is the model, V is the view, is our board view. It means the UI part view, and MVC. C is the controller, which is the middleman. The model object cannot see directly of the view stuff, and the view cannot see the data in model, so they are like separated. So controller is the middleman. That's why we have a view here. Now let's create a model here. No, we'll use var because we'll change that. So board, right? Our logical game engine. So the data type is snake board. Let's create one. Snake board parentheses. Okay, so this will be our only single copy of the object of snake board. Now with this one here, we can initialize our snake here. So remember, we have code in temporary code in the view file. Now we can so we can select here board view here. Yeah, so this one, let's cut this to here. Where is our let's go back here. Yeah, put it here. This is our view controller. So we'll initialize our snake here. So before that, the snake of the board, right? The snake property of the board is empty. After that, we have 4 cells in this snake. And we cannot keep another copy of a board object here, but we can keep, yeah, you see, we put a comment here, right? Earlier, temp code for testing. So what's the real code we need here? Wow, shadow. So this is a shadow snake here. What's the data type? Yeah, of course, snake cell equals neo. So the type will be like that. Wait a minute. So what's no? It's like optional. So like this. Okay. So don't worry too much about the syntax here. It means this one can be nil, can be empty. Maybe we have a better solution to keep the concept easier to understand. So instead of the whole thing nil, let's use an empty one as the like a shadow snake is empty array. Now we can remove that because those are temporary code. So what is this one? No, we don't have the board here, so we'll use shadow snake, right? If shadow snake is empty, shadow snake and shadow snake. Anything else? Command B. Board dot snake. Yeah, shadow snake. Command B to compile. Yes, it compiles. So now we remove the board object here. So we only keep one instance of this snake board. Okay, so now we have both model and view here. We can implement the left button logic. Let's run it so we can see the buttons. Yeah, we can click it, but it does nothing. Let's add the code. So board dot move left, right? Because now let's try it, run it, see if we can move the snake. Oh, where is our snake? Yeah, after we updated the boards, the snake in this board, right? We needed to update our shadow snake. So board view, right? Dot shadow snake equals this model snake. Now let's see, run it. Yeah, we have this one show up. Now let's click here to try to move it. Move. No? What happened? Yeah, after we modify the model one, right? We still need to update the shadow snake. Let's try again. Hopefully, no, it still doesn't move. We need to do one more thing. We need to trigger the function call to this one, but we cannot call this function directly. That's the rule of iOS programming. This one has to be called by the platform, by the system. But how can we trigger this function call? We can call board view dot set needs display. So this, it means the system will call this function in its convenient time. Okay, now let's give a try. Left, yeah, it's moving, you see? Cool. So we can just do the same thing for the other three buttons. Let's copy that. here, here, and the right. Now let's modify this up, right? Up, down, and right. Run it. Left, down, 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 right, 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 right. Oh, cool. It's moving, but the board size is so small, right? Let's make it bigger. Well, it's our model data structure. It's the snake board, right? Snake board. Yes, now let's increase the size. Okay, run it. So our program should be flexible, right? Up, right, 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 right. Oh, that's fun. So next we might think about like eating fruits, right? And the snake will grow longer and longer. That's it for today. See you next time.